Everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about debugging in JMeter. Debugging is an essential skill that helps you identify and fix issues in your test scripts. I will show you step by step how to use the debug sampler and view result tree to analyze and troubleshoot problems in JMeter. So let's begin. When first time you open the JMeter, you can view the test plan. Inside this test plan, we can add the user-defined variables. Let's add the thread group. Right click on test plan, thread users, and then click on thread group. Inside the thread group, enter the number of threads, ramp up periods, and loop count. Suppose this is our thread group 1. Inside this thread group, add the sampler and then click on HTTP request. In the HTTP request, we have two options, basic and advanced. In basic, we can enter the protocol, server name or IP, port, and the path. These are the HTTP request. Get, post, put, delete. You can add the HTTP request from here. In the advanced section, you can client implementation. You can add HTTP client for Java and connect and then response time. Let's add the HTTP request here. Here, the website lifecharger.eu. We need to send the request with HTTPS protocol. So enter the server name or IP here and the HTTPS. We want to perform the testing of home page. So in this scenario, we do not need to enter the path and add the listener. This is our request one and enter the request name here, HTTP request to POM. Now we add the thread group, HTTP request, and then add the listener here for view the result entry. Clear? We can clear all the results by clicking the clear all button. Let's check whether this request successfully sent to the server. Click on this button to start. It will ask for you to save your test plan before running it. Click on yes. Enter the file name here, lifecharger.jmx. Jmx is the extension and then click on save. It will, the file is already exists. So we need to enter the different name. Now request has been successfully sent. One method here in this, we can view the thread group is equal to 1 and the ramp up is equal to 1 and delays start is equal to false. We can view the logs here inside, and inside this request we can view this get method, HTTPS is protocol, and the server name. If you click on this, we can view the logs from here inside. Now add the debug sampler here. Click on sampler and then click on debug sampler. In the debug sampler, JMeter properties option available. You can set either true or false JMeter variable. If in your script variables, suppose you are extract some data from your request and enter this request in another response, so you can use this debug sampler for debugging JMeter variables. Suppose you have a login page test. In this scenario, you need to extract the token value and you need to create this variable for extracting the data from request and put this response into another request. So you need to create the variables. And if you are getting some error, So you can use the debug sampler for identifying the issues. Let's clear all the results and click on this button. It will ask for saving. So enter the file name here and then click on save. Now, in the view result tree, you can view home, which is request, and the debug sampler option. Now, in this scenario, we do not have any JMeter variable, so here JMeter variable is not showing. In the response data, JMeter variables options are available. JMeter thread last sample OK is equal to true. Let's create a variable inside this test plan. Suppose we have a variable x is equal to 1. This is one variable, and we have an other variable which is y is equal to 2, and add an other variable which is z. And here in this z we do not enter the value. Let's debug, clear all the results, and then click on this run button. Request has been successfully sent to the server. Here you can view we are getting y is equal to 2, z is equal. Here z do not have any value because in the test plan we do not enter value here. View result tree, we can view x is equal to 1, z do not have any value, y is equal to 2. Parameter we can debug by HTTP cache manager. Right click on thread group, add config element, and then click on HTTP cache manager. In this HTTP cache manager, we can enter the HTTP cache manager name and clear each iteration. Suppose we want to clear the cache after each iteration, so we can use this checkbox. In the help section, enable debug and disable debug option are available. We can enable debug by using this shortcut keys. So click on this enable debugging. Now log level set to debug. We can view the logs here in this HTTP cache manager. Let's clear all the results and then click on run test again. In this section, here you can view the additional information. Thread group number is equal to 1, threads is equal to 1, and ramp up. And this is the URL lifecharger.eu. This is the additional information we can view in HTTP cache manager. That is for today's tutorial on debugging in JMeter. I hope this guide helps you troubleshoot your test scripts more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. Don't forget to leave your question or suggestion in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.